What's going on YouTube? GeoSn right here, today with even more great news for those of you waiting for Jailbreak on iOS 26, 18 and so on newer devices. You probably remember from the previous video that this new exploit was released. It's a sandbox escape working on iOS 26, all versions of iOS 26 and on all devices. And we got a proper Python script for this released a couple of hours ago, and now Misaka has been updated. Yes, Misaka is finally available with this exploit, and it was updated for iOS 26, and you can enable various tweaks on your device. I mean, check it out. You have a lot of tweaks that are supported over here, like dynamic island, charge limit, stage manager, always on display, and so on. You can enable all of these right now with this new exploit, even on iOS 26 and iOS 18.4, iOS 18.5 on all devices. It supports, as you can see, iOS 16.0 all the way up to 26.1 and 26.2 beta 1, and on all devices. To get it, you have to go to the Misaka26 repo over here on GitHub, then to releases, and there are two releases available. The first one, which is rather high risk because it can bootloop your device if something goes wrong, but then there's also an update which says unstable, and this one should contain a lot of features. You can see over here all the features that you can enable, including SOS collision, iPad app support, enable developer mode, and so on. So there's a lot that you can do with this thanks to this brand new sandbox escape exploit, and you can get it over here. For now, it's only available for macOS, and it's only available for newer Mac with the M1, M2 and so on chip, not the Intel Macs. But there are people who are working on a Windows version of similar tweaks, and I think Nugget will also be updated soon. If you want to customize your iOS 26 right now with some great tweaks and you have a Mac, you can use Misaka26 right now. The installation is pretty simple. You get the zip file, you extract it, and it should contain an application inside of it. This one over here. And if you have an M1 or newer Mac, it will allow you to open it. If you see something like this, you click done, go here to privacy, navigate all the way down, and then open anyway in here, and it should allow you to click open anyway and input your password, and this should allow you to open the Misaka application. And of course it asks you for the mobile gestalt file, and once you add that, you can enable various tweaks, but I don't have a device connected. Anyway, yeah, that's essentially it. You can use the Misaka26 no problem. So we already see a release thanks to this exploit over here. It's a sandbox escape. It's powerful enough that we can modify stuff inside the file system, so we can enable quite a lot of tweaks with this. So thank you for watching. This video was brought to you by Rayboot, a software that allows you to easily fix your device if it's stuck in recovery mode, if it's in a boot loop, or if it has any other issue that prevents it from booting. So it can fix up to 150 plus iOS issues. Definitely check it out below. Thank you for watching. I am GeoSn. Peace out.